Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on chat requests on your notification settings on your account on Reddit easy and quick. First click on your profile, click settings, and now click account settings. Now click manage notifications, and here you will find chat requests. Just click on it like this and this will be turned on. And that's how to turn on chat requests on your notification settings easy and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.